Here is the Toyota Highlander. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. In front of the vehicle, right on top of the Toyota emblem, is the secondary release lever. Right over there. Put two fingers over there and then push it up. While it's pushed up, lift up the hood and grab the prop rod from there and put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it. And let it go. Now the hood is secure. Now once the hood is open, that right there's the engine air box. There are two clips, one over here and the second one there. Just get it out and grab this tray and pull it off. Grab the filter and it comes right out of the tray. The way this works is outside air comes from the bottom, the dirt gets trapped over there. The bottom side is the dirty side, and then clean air gets filtered and from the top goes into the engine. Check the link in description to buy the new filter from Amazon for yourself. Get the new filter and then drop it back into the tray, and it should be the exact dimension as the old one, so there should be no gap and it should just drop right in. Put this tray back inside the air box, get it in position and then just drop it down. Good. Now let's just put these clips back on. One and the second one over here. And that is pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. To close the hood, first push on the hood, get load off the prop rod and get it out of that slot. Put it back in its place. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.